Hello, please give me your full name, city, and age.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hemant. I'm from Ahmedabad and I'm 36 years old.
Can you tell me something about your family?
Yes, we are a young family of three. My gorgeous, loving wife, my 18 months old child who is the brains of the family, and I'm the serious guy in the family.
What's your occupation, job, or self employed?
So I am trained in the US in pediatric disorders. I deal with cancers in children and blood disorders in children.
Can you tell us a bit more about your work?
So my work involves treating these magical children who have a diagnosis of a cancer, and I help them walk through their journey and make them better.
Lovely. What is your favorite drink?
So my favorite drinks, please don't tell my wife. My favorite drink is a chilled cold drink.
Okay, we will not tell her. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is difficult to choose, but anything spicy, spicy chicken I would say.
Okay. Well, do you know what tooth sensitivity is?
Yes, I do. Two sensitivities when you have the sharp pain when you drink or eat anything that is too hot, too cold, or too spicy.
Okay. Have you ever experienced tooth sensitivity and pain related to it?
Yes, I have. I have experienced this pain for many years of my life.
Can you share how you feel when you get tooth sensitivity and the pain?
So it feels like a very sharp pain that comes. To me, it used to come with anything that is cold, and sometimes even in cold weather in the US, it used to come even with the cold gush of wind.
Oh my god. How often do you feel it and when?
So it was related to any time I would have a cold drink, and right at the time of drinking the cold drink, I would have it, and it used to last for a few minutes, I guess.
Okay. Any specific food or drink items that give you that sensation besides the cold drinks that you mentioned?
So for me, it was the cold drinks, any kind of cold drinks, aerated drinks, cold coffee, or ice cream, anything cold, and it would
Oh,
start.
okay. Well, do you know what causes tooth sensitivity?
So I tried to research it. I actually have patients who are children who also have tooth sensitivity. So I was motivated to research about it. And when I researched, I found out that when your protective layer of the teeth gets less, then it causes your teeth to increase sensitivity to any kind of hot, cold drink.
Okay. Well, did it get worse with time? And if yes, can you share any personal story how it affected you?
So yes, it did. When it started off early on, I used to have a mild pain with cold drinks, but slowly it became very severe. As I said, any time I used to have a cold drink, it used to have a very sharp pain. How it did it personally affect me? When I take care of these small children, they are like family to me, and I like to enjoy with them and have parties with them, make them feel good. And part of that was occasionally having a bit of ice cream with them. And for many years, it was difficult to have them, the ice creams, because it used to cause me a lot of pain.
Oh my god. Which toothpaste do you use generally?
I use Sensodyne.
Okay. Why would you say so?
So, because of my tooth sensitivity, I researched and many dentists in US when I was there, and my wife who is a dentist here, a gorgeous one. They all recommended Sensodyne to me.
Okay. Well, needless to ask, who told you about Sensodyne?
So as I said, all the dentist people that I have been to for my regular dental care, and for the last few years, since I have been married, it's my wife who has been the motivator behind my using Sensodyne.
Okay. Well, does it work for you?
It does, and obviously it does. That's why I've been using it for this many years.
Lastly, I would like to know what is the change you see in your tooth sensitivity post using Sensodyne?
So Sensodyne, I must say, since I started using it, and it started really showing me effect quite nicely and quite early. And then when I researched, I found out that this is something that there might be many toothpastes for sensitivity, but this is one of those which is quite rapidly acting, and it has really helped me a lot.
Lovely. Thank you for your time.